I have a quick demo I can give. I'll share my screen. So we had a few prospects, customers who were just kind of asking us if we supported Google Sheets integration. So currently how we're as a destination. So currently how we have we deliver data, I think in Omni is email, Slack, and webhooks. So just configured a webhook here. So to deliver to Google Sheets, I've kind of got two examples set up. So one is to create a new tab that will be timestamped with the timestamp in the tab name. And second will be to overwrite. So I just wanted to delete that data to show you guys that it was going to be delivered. The way that I've configured it is just so scheduler alert, send the data as a CSV, and we just put in the URL to the webhook. Then if we jump over to the Google Sheet, we should have new tab timestamped with one of our tiles, and then we should have our data for the other one. So working pretty well. And then what we have as well is we kind of set up two templates. So if any customers kind of want to use these, either to overwrite or to have a new tab per delivery, they can use them as a starting point.
Can we toss those into docs?
Yeah.